Hi, and welcome to Aztec's Introduction to MYOB EXO Business Analytics. Join us for part 1 of our overview and see firsthand why this module is receiving such positive feedback from our clients. First, we'll view the Sales tab, and this shows everything sales related. You can view the sales summary for all branches or for an individual branch. You will see the sales for the period, the margin or GP percentage for the period, the budget, as well as the budget GP percentage. To set up the budgets, you go into Set Up Budgets. If you want to change a figure, you just overtype and save. The budget is used together with the days so far and the days for this period to calculate the cumulative budget for the period. This is then compared to the cumulative sales in this handy graph, and it will show you the totals as you hover over the graph. This is real handy when you have sales quotas that needs to be met. You are able to print this graph from here. In this section, you are able to see the sales for today with the GP for today, as well as the total orders raised and the amount of the orders raised for today. You'll see the sales for the year-to-date and the GP for the year-to-date figures. Next, we'll have a look at our top 10 customers by sales value. This shows the total dollars the customer have spent converted into New Zealand dollars. You are able to click into the data account if you wanted extra details, view transactions or orders. Please note this is a read-only screen. You are also able to change the number of customers you want to show. Next, we'll have a look at our top and bottom customers by year-to-date margin. This shows the dollar figure profit you made per customer in New Zealand dollars. Again, you are able to click into the account, change the parameters, and print the graph. This one just shows the bottom 10 customers. Next, we are looking at sales by month. Now, our sales by month shows us our overdue invoices, the total of the overdue invoices, as well as the total for this period and the previous period. In this case, our demo database have undefined periods, which we unfortunately cannot change. Next up, we'll view our customer sales history. This shows important information like the last invoice date, the last payment date, the number of average days it took the customer to pay his account, the value he spent this year and the value he spent last year. You are able to sort on any of the fields. You are also able to change the visible columns. Remember to save them once you've made any changes. You are also able to copy it to the clipboard and work with it further in Excel. Lastly, we'll view data invoices. Again, lots of information, especially markup and margin, which is important. Again, you are able to select the visible columns, copy to the clipboard, and save if you made any changes. Next up, we'll view the invoice list, so join me for the next part. Thank you.